In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the copyright text in Shopify Sense theme. If you want to replace the default Powered by Shopify message or add your own brand copyright, we'll do it the safest way using Shopify's built-in content editor. No code required. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. On the left, go to Online Store, then open the Themes section. Find your active Sense theme. Next to it, click the More menu, the three dots, and choose Edit Default Theme Content. Depending on your Shopify version, you might remember this as Edit Language. It's the same place. This screen contains all the text strings your theme uses across the storefront, including the footer. At the top, there's a search or filter bar. Type Copyright or Powered by Shopify. This narrows the list to the footer fields you need. You should see an entry labeled Copyright, and often one for Powered by Shopify. Click into the Copyright field and type the text you want visitors to see. For example, you can include your brand name and the current year, followed by All Rights Reserved. Many themes already insert the year automatically, so you may only need to add your brand name and the phrase you prefer. If you want to remove the Powered by Shopify line, select that field and replace its content with a blank space. Leaving it truly empty can sometimes fall back to the default text, so entering a single space ensures it won't display. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Give it a moment to process, then preview your store. Scroll to the footer and confirm the new text appears exactly as you expect. If you don't see the update right away, refresh your browser or view your site in a private window to avoid cached content. This approach is the safest and easiest because you're not editing theme code. It's quick to update later, and you can always return to the same screen to tweak wording or revert to defaults. If your store uses multiple languages, repeat the same change for each locale in the content editor so every visitor sees the correct footer. And if you've duplicated your theme for testing, make sure you're editing the active version so the change goes live. That's it. Clean, professional copyright text tailored to your brand, done with a few clicks and no risk to your theme. Save, preview, and you're good to go.